ABC 17 News investigates that businesses have been reopening for nearly 2 months now. But how do residents know they're doing everything they can, that these businesses are doing everything they can to keep you and your family safe from COVID-19?
ABC 17's Molly Staunoga went behind the kitchen door to see how restaurants are reopening.
Each health order during the pandemic has brought different guidelines for establishments to follow. I dug into Boone County's coronavirus policy, and even though they've said reopening inspections are required, they're not.
They must have an inspection before opening with our environmental health department since they have been closed for a while.
At that May 22nd press conference on reopening, the health department said bars needed inspections for reopening. In Boone County's business guidance, it said the same thing for restaurants that had shut down, but that's not actually the case.
What we realized, thanks to you bringing it up, is that we had in the business guidance that they must ask for that reopening inspection, and that's just that was an error. It shouldn't have been that way.
According to health officials, the reopening inspections are simply encouraged, not required.
We don't have any way to require them to do a reopening inspection because it's not in the food code.
Even still, nearly 70 establishments have gone through reopening or COVID-oriented inspections. That includes Black and Gold, a tavern that reopened at the end of May.
We just clean throughout the day. I mean, you're cleaning after each customer. You have to wipe their chairs. I'm cleaning the bathrooms, which we clean them throughout the day also. Cleaning doorknobs all day long. Cleaning the jukebox if anybody plays an actual jukebox. You've got to make sure you're scrubbing them and making sure they're always clean.
Inspectors helped guide them on how to maintain social distancing and what extra precautions they needed to take. Those included no more self-serve popcorn, extra sanitization, fewer people at tables, and more. But the business owner also noticed areas of confusion in health department policy.
My mom, I kind of had her on it, and she would tell me, she's like, hey, you can open, but there's guidelines. And then she's actually the one that said, you got to get a hold of the health department, though, because they're going to do an inspection. I was like, oh. I'm glad I knew that.
Since my investigation, health officials say they've taken steps to make the guidelines more clear.
We've altered the business guidance language to reflect that change.
Again, that was ABC 17's Molly Staunoga reporting for us. Now, the health department says it does stop into restaurants and bars it sees are open to ensure they are following the rules. Now, for the full list of bars and restaurants that have voluntarily chosen to get an inspection as an extra precaution to keep you safe, you can head over to our website at abc17news.com.